My beautiful and amazing people, wonders dey say e shall never end oh. Una see Ipa don enter another level again. This time around, im dey look for ways to take blackmail the brother of Regina Daniel so that by the time wey im do am wetin im wan do am, the guy no go get option but to carry Regina Daniel come give am by fire by force, because I no understand this particular one wey we dey hear from the information center if the information is correct. My people, na wow, wonders e no fit ever end oh. Na on daily basis na im this man dey bring different option. Allegedly, according to the story, im don enter the brother wey dey for obodoyibo again oh. Una remember when this whole matter start, when Regina Daniel cry out say she no do again, the first thing Ipa did was to say that Regina Daniel dey into druggy. E come start dey list names of people wey dey supply, people wey dey give am, people wey if im don lock her up for rehabilitation, they go come corner the corner the whatever carry give her. He mention all of her family member name. The only person wey he no mention for her family na the mama. He say his sister Destiny, he dey take am, he dey supply am. He say him brother wey be Sammy also dey take am. He say the one wey dey for obodoyibo, the same thing, he dey take am. Na him even sponsor that one wey dey obodoyibo, carry am go obodoyibo. He say the Regina Daniel dey take am. Him friend Cassie, he dey take am. Na that one sef be the ogbonge of them all wey dey supply the druggy well give Regie. Even when he don pursue everybody, she go still find her way, all in the name of na her friend. She go find her way back to Regie life, squeeze the thing, come give Regie. So we were thinking, na thing of joke, na joke. Omo guys, no be joke oh. As he talk that one, as the thing no fly, wey the girl go obodoyibo go do her medical checkup, come back with negative result. Ipa no get peace. As he don try every means, he don go left, go right, go no go, come no come, he don enter another version again. This time around, una no talk say him be dey talk am say he no wan see Sammy for him house. When Regie dey in house, he say Sammy dey always come around. Why would a brother always be in his sister's place, his sister husband house? This one wey very dark man been talk am say nothing is bad if a brother check up on his sister. Nothing is bad if the brother dey come meet his sister. Say Ipa too dey overdo. Normally, nothing bad if Sammy come check the brother when him bin arrest Sammy. Na that time him bin come drop that press release say Sammy too dey check up on him brother, on his sister, and before you know, if there is any small misunderstanding, Sammy go come gather people, him go come dey break things for him house, this one, that one. Now we say, So when this whole thing start, Ipa bin just dey look for ways wey im go take get to their Regina Daniel and her family. But as online in-laws no gree, wey dem stand with Regina Daniel gbam say you no go fit do this one go scot free oh, unless the one wey be say you do in the hidden wey we no know. But you see this one wey you arrest im brother Sammy, so e no go work. Release Sammy. No be by force to do marriage no be do or buy affair. No be by force say she must marry you. Abeg, release im brother, because everybody come realize say na because of say Regie no wan come back, na im make im dey catch the brother. So for that reason, he should release her. No be by force. If the girl wan do, she go do. If she no wan do, she no go do. No be by force. As if see say online in-laws, they no allow am drink water drop cup. They put am for im body woto. My padi leave am. Now he don enter another one. As he don try left, try right, he see say go no go. He don try to use people against the girl. He don try to use wetin she love most, her career. He try to use am against her. E no still work. He don go meet AGN former chairman. E no still work. He don meet people wey dey say they work together. E no still work. He don try by all means. E no work. Now he don come up with another one again. Guess what? He say the brother wey dey for obodoyibo, wey dey call Sweezy, he say him think say that one don change. Say that one never change oh. Say now like this, he dey send people make dem follow that one up and down to really know whether e don change or e never change. People dey say on this particular day, hey, the person wey Ipa send make e dey trail that one wey dey for obodoyibo Swizzy information say dem see that one for where im dey buy things and the way dem take see am where im dey buy am, the quantity wey dem see am pack, say no be small quantity, say like this so e be like say im wan send am come Nigeria come give Reji. Na im dey say as we speak right now, Ipa come say make dem video the scenario, make dem send am for am, dem video am send am for am, im come hold am as evidence. Say im come dey use am against the guy now, saying that he has evidence against him. Say if he no do anything that he can do to send Regina Daniel, pursue her back, after all, na dem still join mouth take do wey the girl comot for husband house. Make dem still manoeuvre their way, do make she come back to husband house. Else, im go publish am for all. Una know say Ipa na obodoyibo na im study. E study law. And even im first wife too, the same thing. She dey obodoyibo there and she also study law for there. So na wetin be say outside country no be wetin dey am difficult to enter, comot, or to prosecute somebody or to put allegation on top of person head. Im know where and where im go carry am go wey the matter go sakrakom. And you know the implication of doing drugs for there, say any gbagan they go deport you back to Nigeria ASAP. They go deport you. He say, one, the boy no look okay. He no even look healthy. Say despite say he dey for obodoyibo, he dey for UK, he no dey okay. Say na every day na the boy dey dry. Fine boy like this. Na every day the boy dey dry, dey go. He dey dry. Na him make he start dey suspect and consent say make dem dey follow am, make him see whether he don change or he never change. Fortunately, they follow am finish, come find out say omo, he never change o. He even dey buy am, dey try wan send am come Nigeria make dem come give Reji. I come say wait o, so no be the matter now don comot for Nigeria matter, na from obodoyibo dem dey send am come for her now. Omo, no be small thing o. So no be Nigeria matter again now, na from obodoyibo. And how is that ever going to be possible that the brother go come now transport druggy from obodoyibo come Nigeria come give his sister? How is that ever possible? And the last time we checked, I see say the relationship between the brother and the Reji, e no really dey like that o. Which is that one wey be Swizzy. If una observe, na Sammy na dem dey 247. He and Reji and Sammy dem dey. Even when they bought her car, even when she did carnival, everything. You go see am, he even repost am, he do everything humanly possible. But the Swizzy, he never reposted her carnival, he no dey post anything. Even when they surprise the father, when Regina surprise am, he no talk anything. He just be like prodigal son for where in dey, nothing concern am. He no even dey do anything concerning the family and its drama. So I can't wonder which of the Regina wey in the talk say the guy wan pack druggy send for. And the last time we checked, how he wan take come transport that druggy from that place come Nigeria. Na make I say, omo, this man is just looking for a way to take tarnish that family name, take do them wetin be say they no go ever forget. But one thing is certainly sure, the more he try am, the more he go scatter. The more he try am, the more he go scatter. Now he wan use am, they blackmail the guy, telling the guy say make the guy tell Regina Daniel to return back to am. Else im go publish am, he go carry am come obodoyibo come expose the guy by giving them the evidence that he has. I trust Mama Regina Daniel. Na im dey say the boy, he tell him mama say, see wetin Ipa talk o, see wetin Ipa talk o. Ipa say he wan blackmail her, he wan do this, he wan do that. Na im dey say Mama Regina tell the boy say make him tell Ipa say he can do nothing more than the dead rat. He no fit do anything. He go try, he go fail. Say no be them tell Reji say make she no do again. If na for them, they even dey beg the Regina say make she return. Now I will see a lot. Now he talk say he no wan do again. So how is it now their problem? How is it their business? How is it a big deal? Wey be say he no go leave that family alone. Shebi na Regina be the first woman wey go marry man wey go talk say she no do again. Why e be say if him no wan just gree and him no wan leave the girl alone, say abeg make him leave the family alone. But if him decide say him no go leave the family alone, anything wey him dey find, anything wey him use him head dey find, he go see am, because they are equal to the task and they are ready for him 1001%. My people, I say you see this man, if they no put am for him body woto like this, I no sure say he ready to leave Regina Daniel, because make it make sense. So how the guy wan even take succeed, put that kind thing? How he wan even, where he wan even put am? Say he go succeed, carry am from obodo oyibo come Nigeria, for where now? How now? How now? Where you go know say this man is old, his brain is not functioning well. In short, that man need rehabilitation, because make it make sense. If this information is correct, na Ipa dey suppose even arrest, do am wetin no good, make him leave that family alone, because I no understand where is all this one coming from. You don already tarnish their name, talk say all of them for their family na drogi. That one now no do you. You want me to deport the guy from obodo oyibo come back, say you get evidence. In this era, in this particular era, oga, you have failed. You have failed woefully. If to say they take am, they for never, obodo oyibo people for don dictate am, they for don go carry am, they for don deport am. But as e be say e no dey possible, Ipa dey look for how e go take dey possible by force, so that e go take am hold the family to ransom. But anyhow wey im try, God will continue to dey expose them. My people, na the matter be this o. I say, only my ear no go hear am. Make I come drop am for una. What are your take? What do you think? Make una come make we interact with the comment section. Don't wait to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Let me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.